Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I've posted. So I'm back. Let's get started with today's session. Okay, so the next thing is smile. It is the most important characteristic for a charismatic personality. हिंदी में बोलूँ तो एक अच्छे व्यक्तित्व के लिए मुस्कुराहट सबसे जरूरी होती है. Professor James V. McConnell, a psychologist at the University of Michigan, expressed his feelings about a smile. People who smile tend to manage, teach, and sell more effectively, and to raise happier children. There's far more information in a smile than a frown. That's why encouragement is much more effective teaching device than punishment. That is why dogs make such a hit. They are so glad to see us as they almost jump out of their skins. So naturally, we are so glad to see them. Similar is a baby's smile. It has the same effect on us. So there's a story over here which the author dictates of his one of his friends. He says he was desperately trying to recruit a PhD in computer science. He finally located a young man with ideal qualifications who was about to be graduated. After several phone conversations, he learned that the candidate had several offers from other companies, many of them from larger and better known than his. He was delighted when the candidate accepted his offer. After he started on the job, the friend asked the candidate why had he chosen him over all the others. The candidate paused for a moment and then he said, I think it was because managers in the other company spoke on the phone in a cold, business-like manner, which made him feel like any other business transactions. Whereas this guy, the author's friend, sounded as if he was glad to hear from him that you really wanted me to be a part of your organization. You can be assured, said the friend of the author, that he was still smiling and answering the phone call. So basically, people rarely succeed at anything unless they have fun doing it. This industrial leader doesn't put much faith in the old age that hard work alone is the magic key that will unlock the doors to your desires. There are people who have succeeded because they have a rip roaring good time conducting their business. And there are people who go dull as they go in their business or their jobs. They lose all the joy in it and finally they fail. So choose your path. Actions speak louder than words. And a smile says, I like you. You make me happy. I'm glad to see you. Okay, so basically, how do you smile? Okay, I'll put on two pictures. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Now you tell me which looks more genuine. Okay, over here we are not seeing an insincere grin. No, we do not want an insincere grin. That does not fool anybody. We all know it is mechanical and we resent it. I'm talking about a real smile, a heartwarming smile, a smile that comes from within, the kind of smile that will bring a good price in the marketplace. Action seems to be follow the feeling, but really, action and feeling go together. And by regulating the action, which is under more direct control of the will, we can indirectly regulate the feeling, which is not. So, by smiling, you'll not only make a good impression, but you'll be enjoying doing what you do. Thank you guys for watching. And last but not the least, always remember for nobody needs a smile so much as those who have none left to give. Keep watching, keep learning, be successful.